Bean soup. A soup from Burundi. Serves 4. You will need 14 ingredients. Step 1. Soak the beans overnight, then drain and place in a large pan. Add the water, bring to a boil and boil for 2 minutes. Step 2. Cover and reduce to a simmer, cooking for 1 hour. Step 3. Add the vegetable broth to a pan and add the onion and pepper. Cook until softened, then add the celery and parsley and cook for 3 minutes longer. Step 4. Add this to the beans and cook, uncovered, for a further 90 minutes. Step 5. When almost ready, add the peanuts and cook for 15 minutes more. Step 6. Serve in bowls. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.